Yeah, yeah. You know what it is. Coming straight back at you in a review. Check this shit out. We got the Swag 121 VIP Men VIP Perfume gift box set. Let's get it out. I'm in Phuket right now. I think I paid around like 3,000 baht for that, which is like, I don't know, maybe around $100, maybe a bit more. Let's open it up, and you got the perfume there, and you got the shampoo. It says top notes, caviar, lime, mint, hot notes, apple, ginger, or some other shit. I don't know. I've got no idea. Let's take the perfume. Oh, nice smell. Yeah, get some of that in you. Smells alright. The shower gel. Give me that shit.